Hi guys, this is Vishal here from Rapcode. So in this video, we will understand how to display time, date in the time zone of the user or the time zone in which you want to launch your application. So we have like global audience, people are coming from different countries to build their web application, and everyone wants to display the date and time in the time zone of their region, right? So let's see how this can be done. So a lot of time people complain that okay, when whatever data they create, but the date and time are in some random time zone. It's not actually random. As a standard, we store everything in GMT, right, which is Greenwich Mean Time. So whatever you store, it's automatically get converted to GMT. Now we have to display it back in the time zone in which user want to display it, right? So here is a dummy project. Okay, here we have created some product. So uh, it is a collection which has name, description, manufacturing date, and status. Okay, and data. So let's say I create a product. Let's say product demo, description, date, and time. Okay, so let's say the manufacturing date is 28. Let's say the manufacturing date is 2nd of March, and time is let's say 9:30 a.m. Okay, this is what an end user is selecting, or as a system admin you are selecting, and the status is available. Let's save it. Now if you see, it is showing 9:30 a.m. 2nd of March, which is correct, and the date of creation is 9th March 6:31 p.m. So we are in India and current time is 6:31 p.m. 6:32 p.m. But if I go and display this data, so let's go and display this. So I've created a data table. Okay, it is showing the description, name, status, and created it. Let's go and see what it displays. So we have created for 2nd of March and 9:30 a.m. right? But if I go and see this product demo, it is showing 2nd of March 4 a.m. which is like, it's not what we have given. We have given 9:30 a.m. but somehow it is showing 4 a.m. So user get confused like why it is showing this. And even if you see date created, it is saying 9th of March 1 p.m. but actually it is 6:32 p.m. in India. So why this gap? Okay. So why it is displaying it like this? Because as I mentioned, we store the date and time in GMT, right? So we convert it to a neutral time zone and then display it in whatever time zone you want to display. So let's go and fix this. So let's say I want to launch this application for users in Indian time zone. So what I'll do, I'll go to the project and go to settings. Okay. So here in the settings, you see a drop down called time zone. And from here, you can select the time zone of your choice or in the region where you or the client want to launch the application. So I'll choose Asia, Kolkata. So this is the time zone of India. So Asia, Calcutta, which is 5:30 GMT, and then update the project. Now if I go and refresh this table, this should change, right? Because this now will get converted to Indian time zone. You see, now it is showing 9:30 a.m. which is the actual time which we have given. And this is also auto-corrected to 6:31 p.m. So what is happening? Basically, the time zone gets converted to GMT when it gets saved. And if you have to display the data in the user's time zone, you just go and set the time zone of the project. That's all. Nothing else. It's very straightforward. Even if the end user creates the project, if the end user creates the product, whatever time they will give, it will be in that time. So I have one more page, which is create product. So let's open it. Now let's create one more product. Product 5. So description, manufacturing date. Okay, so let's say here I am giving 3rd of March 14 p.m. This is not available. Submit. Now if I go to the table, you see product 5, 2 p.m. which is 3rd of March. And the date of creation is 6:35 p.m. which is the current time in India, right? So basically, now you don't have to do anything. Once you have set the time zone of the project, whatever time the person will give, they will see exactly the same date, right? I hope this is clear now. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.